Start reading.
Part of speech. Parts of speech.
Okay, now tell me only one question before that. How many parts of speech are there and what are they?
Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Very good. Now start reading. Here. Number one. Number one.
N-O-U-N, noun, pronoun, P-R-O-N-O-U-N, pronoun, A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V, adjective, V-R-B, verb, A-D-V-R-B, verb, adverb, P-R-E-P-O-P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N, preposition, C-O-N, conjunction, C-T-I-O-N, conjunction, I-N-T-R,
J-E-C,
T-I-O-N,
Sun. Interjection.
Conjunction.
Okay, tell me once again the 8 parts of speech.
Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Very good.